So guys, the 18th Keybox file, which was of 16.58 KB, has now been revoked, but we now have the new file, the 19th one, which is just of 8.59 KB, and all thanks to a user Manjeet from our Telegram group Droidwin, who has shared the file with me. So you could now see I'm passing all the 3 tests with ease, and the file is as follows. Let me show you that 8.59 KB. This is the Keybox file with all the content inside that. So you could now easily pass the strong test using this file. So as far as the modules are concerned, I'm using the following modules. Still, let me show you. I'm using Magisk, and the mods are as follows. The PIF module, the plain integrity fix has been discontinued, but for now still working. I am not using fork because in case of fork, it's quite hard to get the PIF JSON file. In fix, it's quite easy. Then I'm using the Shamiko module, Tricky Store, Zygisk LS Post, and the Zygisk Assistant. Only 5 modules I'm using. And if you want to get the PIF JSON file, install the KSU Web UI app, launch the app, tap on PIF over here. Just tap on fetch PIF JSON, then you'll get the file over here. Let me show you. Let me close the ad. And over here in the root data ADB, you'll get the file PIF JSON. Apart from that, if you want, then the rest of the steps are as follows. Open the KSU Web UI app, go to Tricky Store, tap on this, select all, then deselect unnecessary, then tap on set security patch, advanced, get patch date, then save, and that is it. After that, finally place the file of Keybox file over here in data ADB Tricky Store directory. Place the file here, and your task is now done, complete. To show you the steps of that, I also have a guide. I'll show you that. So let me show you what needs to be done once again in the step-by-step format, Android 13. So over here, I'm using Magisk, but you could use any of the Apache, Magisk, or KSU. So just to show you once again, the required is Magisk Canary, LS4 framework, Shamiko module. The plain integrity fix has been discontinued, so you may also use fork, but I'm using fix because it's easy to get the PIF JSON file. Then use the Zygisk Assistant and Tricky Store. After that, place the Keybox file in the location of data ADB Tricky Store, as you could see over here. Once that is done, you now have to install the file of Tricky Store add-on, which I'm using currently. I've shown you this is the Tricky Store add-on module. After that, also install the KSU Web UI app. Once you have got both the app, this is the KSU Web UI and the Tricky Store add-on is over there. This is the add-on module. So once you have got both the files, after that you may launch the app. Choose PIF JSON from here. PIF, tap on fetch JSON, you will get the JSON file. Then go back, Tricky Store, and see the steps over here. Set patch, get patch date, and you will now get the patch. Then tap on save, and that's it. You may simply install the app of PI Plain Integrity Checker. Tap on check, you will pass all the 3 tests with ease. So guys, that's all from this video. If you have any query with regard to any of the steps, let me know in the comment section. And as I've told you, there are a few forks of these mod as well. For example, in case of PIF, you will now see this fork as well of PIF. This is the one which some of you are using. For example, the module that follows, the plain integrity fix inject manual module. This might also get the job done, but I'm not using that. I'm using the basic ones that I've shown you over here. And that's just about it. Thanks a lot for watching.